Hi friends, in this particular video, we'll see the other features which are there in the Constitution of Montenegro. Infliction or encouragement of hatred or intolerance on any grounds shall be prohibited. The ratified and published international agreement and generally accepted rules of international law shall make an integral part of the internal legal order. Government shall be bound to preserve and improve the environment. Detention of minors may not exceed 60 days. A judge of a constitutional court, judges of other courts, and state prosecutor and his deputy shall not be a member of any political organization. There is a protector of human rights and liberties. The protector of human rights and liberties shall be independent and autonomous authority that takes measures to protect human rights and liberties. The protector of human rights and liberties shall be appointed for a period of 6 years. The Parliament has 81 members. The mandate of the Parliament shall be for 4 years. 6,000 voters can propose law through the member of Parliament. 10% of the citizens with the right to vote can put proposal for calling national referendum. Lay judges shall also participate in trial of cases stipulated by law. Law and other regulation shall not have retroactive effect. The proposal for amendment of the Constitution may be submitted by the President of Montenegro, the government, or minimum 25 members of Parliament. The proposal to amend Constitution shall be adopted in the Parliament if 2/3 of the total number of members of the Parliament vote in favor of it. Certain articles of Constitution like Article 45, electoral rights, etc. can be changed if minimum 3/5 of all the voters support the change in the national referendum. So friends, these were certain other features which were there in the Constitution of Montenegro. Thank you.